In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the professional dashboard on Facebook. Alright, so I'm starting off by opening up Facebook, and once everything loads, I'm right here on the home screen. From here, I'm going to head over to my profile, so I'll just tap on my profile picture or my name, and that takes me straight to my profile page. Now that I'm on my profile, I'm going to look for the three dot icon. It's usually somewhere near the top of the page, right next to some of the main profile buttons. I'll go ahead and tap on those three dots, and that opens up a menu with a bunch of options related to my profile. Once that menu is open, I'm going to scroll through the options until I find Turn on Professional Mode. It should be listed there along with the other settings, so I'll go ahead and tap on it. At this point, Facebook shows a confirmation screen explaining what Professional Mode does. This is where you can access things like insights, tools, and features that are usually meant for creators or people who want to grow their presence. So now I'm just going to click on Turn On to confirm. Once I tap that, Facebook activates Professional Mode on my account. And just like that, I now have access to the professional dashboard and all the extra tools that come with it. Now that it's turned on, if I go back to my profile, I'll start seeing new options and features that weren't there before. Things like insights, performance tracking, and other tools that help manage content and engagement become available. It's actually really simple to set up, and the whole process only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. You just go to your profile, open the three dot menu, select the option to turn on professional mode, and confirm it. And that's pretty much it. Now your profile is upgraded and you can start using the professional dashboard right away. It's a quick way to unlock more features without needing to create a separate page or switch accounts. So yeah, that's how you get the professional dashboard on Facebook. Just follow those steps and you'll have it enabled in no time, ready to use all the extra tools that come with it.